We are literally in front of the biggest Uniqlo in the entire world.
Oh my gosh, it has 12 floors. How crazy is that? This is the biggest discount store here in Japan, Don Quijote.
Hey everyone, my name is Cheno.
And my name is Alex.
And welcome to
Cheno and Alex. So if you cannot guess behind me, we are in the shopping district of Ginza, where you'll find a lot of designer stores and also anything else in between.
That's right, so today's agenda is we go shopping.
So what's your first impression of Ginza?
It looks pretty crazy out here, guys. Aside from the streets being clean, like look at the buildings and stuff. It's so, I don't know, there's something so unique about each building here, and it looks pretty high-end, but yeah, we're kind of excited to see what we'll find here in Ginza. Alright you guys, we're about to head in. There's already like a crazy contraption swinging, like let's go, let's check it out.
Wow.
What the heck?
Tax free.
There's a lot of movement in this this store, you guys. Like, look at this. Even the shoes
are moving.
Yeah, look.
Oh my god.
So it's a really like visually stimulating, this store. So let's keep going forward.
It's so refreshing
That's
in here.
So cool,
yeah.
There's like a huge pop of colors on the wall in the middle there. I am on a mission though to buy like something like this, maybe like a blazer of some sort, a casual blazer that I can put on top. Like I know this jacket looks pretty clean, but hey, I want to get something.
That looks so nice.
It's like a little oversized.
It's so clean.
Yeah, minimal design. I love this kind of fits, kind of like this. Just a couple of pockets, the buttons. So nice. But I'm still on the hunt for a blazer, and hopefully
we might have to go up.
Yeah, and hopefully some trousers as well. I really wanted like cream, light colored ones. I'm sure we can find it here. 12 floors of shopping here in Uniqlo, Ginza, Japan.
Women's section.
Oh yeah?
No, it's all mixed actually. Every floor is a bit mixed, so there's men's and women's.
Yeah, that's right.
So let's see what we have here.
70 bucks, yeah.
70?
70.
Oh.
You take out the 2 digits.
Oh
guys.
my gosh, look at this cashmere blend. It's so soft. But it is a little bit pricey.
And by a little bit, we mean a lot.
By a lot. This is like about $75 Australian.
Yeah, but like,
it's so soft.
it's so hard to explain because I'm not rich, but cashmere feels so soft and just, I don't know. I was actually thinking of buying a scarf here in Tokyo because it's actually pretty cold, especially with the breeze. But I don't think I can afford that cashmere blend scarf, so let's keep looking. Okay,
so we're actually gonna go to Kyoto as well. So I'm trying to think if I have enough clothes for the cold weather.
Yeah.
But look how nice this sweater is. It's 2,900 yen, which is not too bad.
About $32 Australian.
And there's this color too. I really like how simple they are, but still deciding.
Yeah,
so
you definitely need warm clothes because we're gonna have like a couple of sunrise missions in Kyoto.
So I'm gonna hang on to this for now and then see what else I can find.
Okay, by the way, we're on the 2nd floor.
Just 2nd floor. Looks good.
What do you guys think?
Actually looks really good.
It fits really well, see? So it's just, I feel like this is just casual. Actually, it looks pretty nice though.
Yeah, it is nice. You can dress it up or down.
The price is kind of nice. Not really. You can like dress it up or dress it down, right?
Yeah.
And it's stretchy, right? Because it's not like your traditional suit where it's a little sturdy and bulky. So like, yeah, I like that. See? You can kind of stretch. Okay, we're thinking about this. Let's walk around some more. We're at level 10 right now. 2 more floors before we finalize our purchases. Okay, so we found another blazer. It's got a little more flavor to it. What are you thinking? What do you prefer? It's kind of nice
too. It does
too.
look nice too, yeah.
It's like it just has more character to it than just a plain color. So you've got some stripes and stuff, very subtle lines. So.
Okay, what are we up to?
We've got a couple of things, which we'll show you later. but we're looking at these like sleeveless sweaters kind of style. I don't normally wear these, but Alex was like,
trendy
hey,
right now, yeah.
Yeah, you should give it a go. Switch up my fashion a little. Obviously, I won't wear a sweater under a sweater.
That's pretty cool. The green looks good. With
Yeah,
your brown pants.
What do you think? Because I obviously love my browns. That's my color palette, but should I change it up a bit?
That's good, yeah.
You know, maybe blue. I mean, I always wear that too. So, yeah. So we are on the top floor. They call it the special floor.
It's a cafe.
Oh yeah, look. It says Uniqlo Coffee Ginza. You can order coffee here. Oh, that's awesome. So cozy.
All the autumn colors here.
Yeah. Maybe we should have started up here. This is the thing though, we can't really bring big, thick puffer jackets because our luggage is a bit limited. So yeah, we gotta be very picky with what we buy. So this is what it looks like at the top floor of the biggest Uniqlo in the world. The coffee spot. That's a pretty cool view.
Oh, they're so high.
Yeah, we're actually so high. That's great. So having your foreign passport actually gives you a discount. Well, they take the tax off. They don't charge you the tax. So the price is now, I think that's 10%. There you go. So we are rushing right now because I like to be fashionably late to everything. We've got this really special place we're going. We've booked it. Hopefully we didn't miss it. Hopefully we can still get in and hopefully we didn't miss it.
Do you have a ticket?
Voucher?
A voucher? Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, okay. No problem. Yes. And it's basically no time limit.
Alright you guys, we were rushing from
made it.
Ginza, all the way from Ginza Uniqlo, all the way here. We're about 5 minutes late, but she said it was
made it.
okay.
Yeah, it's
She's like,
fine.
no problem. Oh my gosh, look at this view. Wow,
I mean,
we're
we're
not
not
even.
here yet.
Oh, there's the famous Shibuya Crossing. I don't want to spoil anything yet, but let's just show you a little bit of what it's like here. This is not even the main point yet. We're actually going to a proper observation sky deck. Wow, that looks crazy.
So, what are prohibited?
A lot of things. No bags, no tripods, your camera needs to have a strap, no scarves, any loose items, because I think it's open kind of thing, so your items could be blown over. So let's go. Oh my god, it's cold. So we're here at the observation sky deck in Shibuya, but we are so high up on a building right now. It's crazy. It's pretty cold, but we've got unobstructed views, somewhat unobstructed views of Tokyo. How crazy is this, huh?
It's so crazy. You can literally see
Like-
so much of Tokyo being
Look at
up
that.
here.
Oh, this looks so cool. Like Central Park, but in Japan.
Japan version.
Yeah. Okay, where should we go?
So we're going to the sky stage, which is an even higher part of the sky deck. Let's see what it looks like from up there.
Let's go.
Look! Even higher!
Oh my goodness.
So cool!
It's freaky, but it looks insane.
Actually not even like, I'm not even dizzy just being up here. You know sometimes when you go to the higher towers, you get a little bit dizzy?
Yeah.
I don't feel that way here. It's so beautiful.
Okay, so I've turned the brightness down on our camera. It's a bit hard to tell because we got an ultra-wide lens, but look at that
Horizon.
yeah, look at the horizon. It's very gloomy and cloudy right now in Tokyo, but there's a sliver of golden hour peeking through the horizon way out there. And in person it looks quite amazing. We came at a good time in terms of like the time of day. Unfortunately, not the time of the year. because it's super gloomy.
Yeah.
But guys, honestly, we highly recommend this spot. Yes, it costs a little bit. We'll put the cost up on the screen here, and because there is another place where it's a lot closer, it's not as high, but there's a view deck as well somewhere else. But honestly, I highly recommend that you check this out.
Okay, so we just finished with the observation sky deck. We're just currently here at Tuli's Coffee, which is on the 9th floor of this building. Oh my gosh, honestly, my experience at the sky deck was amazing. I highly recommend if you're ever going to Tokyo to visit the observation, especially maybe during sunset.
Yeah, oh for sure. That's why we actually booked it at
For
that
sunset.
time for sunset. But like I said, back up there, it was really cloudy. We didn't have the...
I
Actually,
guess the whole sunset.
honestly, it was
yeah.
pretty crazy. It
Yeah.
still looks so amazing.
Yeah,
like,
even when it's cloudy, yeah.
yeah, because as the sun got lower, right, on that side it was really orange where the sun was, but then on the opposite side it was pink and purpley.
Yeah.
And I was like, no way, you're kidding.
I mean, if you had a clear skies, it's gonna be even better.
Yeah, it
but-
might.
yeah.
It'll probably look crazier, but I
Yeah.
think from our experience, especially for me, I really enjoyed that. I was
Yeah.
just blown away by how beautiful the sky was, and then the view of Tokyo and just that urban jungle, all the
Yeah.
buildings.
Yeah,
I
that's
was-
amazing.
Yeah, out of this world. All right, guys, it was actually a pretty quick walk, like 2 to 3 minutes,
Yeah.
and we're here at the famous Shibuya Crossing. It's like it's in action right now. I'll show you. Oh my gosh! Is this what you imagined it? Is this what you imagined it
This
to
is
be?
crazy, actually. So much people.
Like-
I didn't even know what to imagine.
Because you were like hoping there would be this crazy, right? Before coming here, you were hoping it would be like that much people.
Yeah, and this is a lot of people, actually.
How about we go walk across? Let's go. Bring the bag. Oh, okay, maybe not. We're now crossing the famous crossing.
Famous Shibuya Crossing.
It's packed with people. Some people are actually taking photos.
Yeah, they're stopping in the middle.
Yeah. So we're not alone by pointing a camera at ourselves. This is nuts. Like, yo, what?
We're gonna be crossing this a lot just to get the footage.
Footage, photos, you name it, we gonna get it. Oh, that's crazy. Look at that, guys. What? There's just a ton of billboards and stuff. Hey, like
Yeah.
neon billboards,
All advertisements of sorts, it's everywhere.
like kind of like Shinjuku, where we said it's like the Times Square of Japan. It's like a dream, guys. It's pretty awesome. What do you think of being here at the famous Shibuya Crossing?
Honestly, it's a lot of people, especially in one crossing. So the car stopped, literally, trust me, for like 2 minutes, and it fills up with so much people straight away. I feel like it's the hub of like transportation, so buses, trains, everyone stops here, and that's why it's filled so much with people on this specific area. But yeah, there's a lot of shoppings here too, which I'm really excited for. So I can't wait to see what we could probably buy here.
Oh, so we're resuming the shopping, are we?
Maybe.
Alright, you guys, so we actually walked down the lane here. Shibuya, the crossing is back there. And yeah, we're just kind of go shopping for Alex because she didn't buy too much, just a little bit of accessories. But alright, it looks like we've resumed shopping.
So this is the first shop we went to here in Shibuya, and I've been wanting loafers. So I see Japanese youth and like women wear loafers here a lot, and I need height as well. So this one is only 1,800. yen, which is about 22, 24
Yeah, roughly around there.
That's so cheap.
That's good value, huh?
Yeah, you just really gotta find the cheap shops, I guess, because we saw some in Harajuku and they're like $50. So I'm like, nah, these are really good. Look at this.
She bagged it.
So we made it here at the Mega Don Quijote, which is a discount store here in Japan. And it's the biggest one. They've all got sorts of stuff. Let's check it out.
This is crazy.
So obviously Halloween's coming up and we are dressing up. So I can't wait for you to see that.
Oh shoot.
But right now,
We gotta find clothes for that.
we have so much here.
Yeah.
It's everywhere.
Can I just say how hectic this looks right now? We gotta explore this place.
There's so much here.
Yeah,
You
there's
can literally get creative and do whatever Halloween costume you want.
yeah, there's heaps of outfits here, you guys.
Floors.
There's 7 floors. Can you believe that?
Oh my gosh. Where do we start?
Second floor. Oh, it's a lot brighter.
A lot of cosmetics, a lot of house stuff.
So they kind of sell everything. There
They
would
literally-
be
yeah.
different departments or categories in each floor, huh?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. 7 floors of
I
this.
feel like you can buy anything here. Whatever you want, whatever you need, you just buy here.
You just go to Don Quijote for whatever.
I mean, they got like skincare, cosmetic, laundry powder, laundry detergent, shampoo, conditioner, everything.
So we skipped level 3 and we're here at level 4 because I think level 3 was also like homeware.
I think these are just clothes here now.
Yeah, it's a bit crazy. It's all over the place.
They're skirts.
Oh, there you go. Were you looking for skirts, right? Those are the perfect length. That's nice, huh?
Yeah. Look like a schoolgirl wearing this. Oh my gosh, they have the cutest skirts. So I always see them wear these really cute schoolgirl skirts. And their fit is amazing. I'm gonna go purchase them. And I just got stockings because it's getting cold here in Japan, so I need to prep myself.
Okay, you guys, I think we're gonna have to end the vlog here because our energy is absolutely depleted. What another long day here in Tokyo, but we feel so fulfilled, honestly.
We never really shop unless I guess we're in a new country like this one where shopping is a must.
It's a must. You need to have the right outfit for the
Yeah.
right place. So yeah, I bought a few things. One thing I'm already wearing, which is this like casual blazer that you can go out on nights out like this. And I also bought corduroy pants, which I totally forgot to show you guys. But hey, make sure you subscribe because I'm probably gonna wear that very soon. I just like to wear clothes that I bought like right away. What else did I get?
You got a vest
Oh,
and a scarf.
I totally forgot. Yeah, I was wearing the scarf as well because it gets really cold out here in Tokyo.
So I just got a few cosmetic stuff, lashes and all that, and
Refill.
just a skirt that you just saw from Don Quijote and loafers.
So I think she's gonna wear those tomorrow as well.
I'm so excited.
Because the next vlog is gonna be pretty awesome. I'm not gonna say too much. I'll just make you subscribe to our channel. Make sure you leave a like in this video so that helps out tiny channels like ours, and we hope to see you in the next vlog. Bye guys.